Today we're gonna make this bacon flavored ice cream.
Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we're gonna cook some bacon. So I just have some bacon strips here. Now that your bacon's all lined up, what we're gonna do is take some brown sugar and we're gonna cover the tops of each of them. Make sure you rub in that brown sugar really good. We're gonna bake this for 12 to 15 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit.
All right, it took about 17 minutes in total. They are nice golden brown. We're gonna let them cool down before we move on to the next step. Next, we're gonna start with a large bowl. Inside that large bowl, we're gonna put 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Now we're gonna whisk this on high until it forms stiff peaks. You know it's formed stiff peaks when you can take it, hold it over your head, and nothing comes out. Next, we're gonna fold in 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. This is a 14-ounce can. This is what's gonna give it its sweetness without having to use sugar, which is a bit grainy. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 teaspoons of maple extract. We don't want to overmix this. All we want to do is fold this in. So just take it and fold it. And just fold it in until everything is nice and consistent. Now we're going to put it in our freezer safe dish. I've used this before. It works out really well. Now we're going to take our bacon that's already cooled down and we're going to just break it up into little pieces right on top of the ice cream base. There you go, perfect. Now just take our lid, put it on there. We're gonna put this in the freezer for at least 4 hours. Overnight's best. All right, so it's been 4 hours. I have pulled my ice cream out of the freezer. We're gonna go ahead and check it and see how it looks. Ooh, look at that. Nice and hard, ready to scoop and serve. Now we're gonna scoop. Oh, it's nice and soft. Now it's time for the taste test, and we're gonna do it with our tiny spoon, of course. Let's get some of that bacon in there. Oh my, this is delicious. If you love bacon, you will love this ice cream. Well, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. Also hit that big red subscribe button and check out these videos right here. And until then, I'll see you next time. Now the rest of this bacon, I'm just gonna eat.